This 2025 Keystone Cougar 316 RLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 35 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Skylight, oven, awning, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, DVD player, air conditioning, TV, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Cougar 316 RLS is 10,679 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.